cigarette out. Take the cigarette.
Where's the cigarette?
Come on.
Yeah, sure. Can you take photos? Yeah. You got your iPad? Yeah. Put out your iPad. Yeah.
Any weapons on you, sir? Any weapons on the vehicle? Any narcotics present in the vehicle?
Hold up.
At approximately 6:49 p.m., the 43-year-old U.S. citizen, male driver, and undocumented non-citizens were escorted to the checkpoint's detention area. A Border Patrol agent searched the driver at 6:52 p.m. During the interaction, the agent removed the drawstring from the driver's pants and jacket, explaining they were doing so for his own safety. The agent then provided the man his jacket and placed him in a detention cell at 6:57 p.m., where he was the sole occupant. The following is body-worn camera video from an agent involved in that interaction.
Do you have anything else in the tractor? No other personal property in there? Electronics, important religious items, pictures of kids, family members.
I got a lot of mail.
What?
A lot of like mail.
Mail. Okay. All right. Take off the sweater. You'll get it back right now. I'm just gonna go through it real quick. All right. Does a sweatpant have a band on it? Take it out. Do you have a knife on it? If it doesn't come out, we'll cut it out.
Fortunately, it's just part of the process. We just have people that try to hurt themselves.
You need to take out the band on that sweatpant.
Come out.
All right, we're gonna have to cut it out.
Just pull one to one side for me, please.
Hey, back here!
You, sir?
Yeah.
All right, I'll take that one for you.
All right, take off the sandals. And then take off your socks. Okay. And then the other foot as well.
Put it back on?
Yeah, you can put it back on. So what do you have the ankle monitor on?
Huh?
Why do you have the ankle monitor on?
It ain't house arrest, but me and my girl got into it, and I ain't supposed to go around that area.
Okay. All right. I'm gonna have you stand on the wall real quick and do a quick pat down, okay?
Do you have an ID? I'm not seeing one in here.
Yeah, it's right there.
All right. Put your hands on the wall. Separate your feet. Mark. Separate your feet.
At approximately 6:59 p.m., the driver asked agents if he could place a phone call to his mother. Agents advised the driver that they could possibly allow him to make a phone call later, but it would need to be monitored. The following is body-worn camera video from an agent involved in that interaction.
Not right now. Who do you need to call?
Like my mom.
Your mom? Okay. We'll see. Okay. You're not obligated to a phone call, so we'll see if we have time. Where's your mom at?
At home, I guess.
In. Okay. And you know the number?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll see how things go. And if we have time. If we have time, I'll let you make a phone call, but it's gonna have to be on speakerphone, okay? All right. What's the process?
Yeah.
So it's going to be a little while, that's for sure. We have to make a few phone calls to other agencies and stuff like that. You're going to be in custody at least for the weekend, okay? We're going to submit your case to the courthouse. Either we are or HSI, and they're going to determine whether it's accepted or declined.
What's the name?
For prosecution, for the charges for alien smuggling. Okay. Since it's Saturday, the courts aren't open on the weekends, and Monday's a holiday. So technically, probably Tuesday.
I'll be stuck into Tuesday.
Probably not in here. Probably at the main station. But yeah, most likely. And then most likely Tuesday morning you'll have a hearing in front of the judge. And I don't really know here if they release you or not. I'm not too sure. So it kind of is still iffy since it's so early in the process. Okay. Someone's gonna come talk to you in a little bit, read you your Miranda rights, all that stuff. Okay. Does that make sense? Do you have any other questions? No? Okay. Do you have any medical conditions or anything? No? Okay. All right, we'll be with you in a little bit, okay?
Approximately 7:21 p.m., agents escorted the driver to the processing area of the checkpoint, electronically captured his fingerprints, and returned him to the detention cell. At approximately 7:41 p.m., the driver requested to speak to his mother via cell phone. A Supervisory Border Patrol agent escorted him to the processing area to allow him to place a monitored phone call. The driver requested agents call his mother instead, and at 7:46 p.m., he was returned to the detention cell. The following is body-worn camera video from an agent involved in that interaction.
Yeah, just let us know when you're ready, and we'll let you call her, okay?
Okay, I think I'm ready now.
You ready now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it then. Just keep your hands out of your pockets, okay? There's not even a phone in there.
There's a phone right
Right here? Okay.
Face forward.
Slow down. Oh, no one's gonna be able to, like, you can't really hear through this, I'll be honest with you. You're gonna wait?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little room or something. I wanna just tell my mom something.
You wanna what?
Just tell her something.
Okay. Well, just remember, it's about 9 o'clock here. Well, it's 8 o'clock here, so she's a so it's what? Almost.
Yeah, it's the same. But
Oh, it's the same?
yeah.
Oh. Okay. All right.
You can take the phone in the room. Let's talk to her. Okay. Damn.
No.
Well, can you talk to her for me?
No. No. Here, let's go back over there, okay? If you're not gonna make the phone call, then. All right. We'll come back and get you in a little bit, all right?
At approximately 8:15 p.m., agents began to interview the driver by reading him his Miranda rights. The driver then requested an attorney, and his interview ended at approximately 8:19 p.m. Based on agent interviews, shortly after the driver requested an attorney, he asked an agent who he could speak with if he had a thought of suicide. The agent asked the driver if he was having suicidal thoughts, and the driver replied no. The agent reportedly offered the opportunity for the driver to speak with someone regarding suicidal thoughts, and the driver declined and said he was fine. Following this conversation, the agent advised the supervisors, who then reportedly monitored the driver on a live feed camera inside his cell. At approximately 8:29 p.m., the driver placed a monitored call to his mother, and agents subsequently returned him to his cell. At approximately 9 p.m., agents escorted the driver to his truck to retrieve additional personal property and escorted him back to his detention cell approximately 25 minutes later. At 10:39 p.m., two agents approached the cell to serve the driver with administrative paperwork. The first agent opened the door to the detention cell and observed the driver was unresponsive and suspended inches off the ground by his jacket, which was tied around a privacy partition and wrapped around his neck. The second agent yelled for assistance. Border Patrol agents requested emergency medical services at 10:41 p.m. A Supervisory Border Patrol agent initiated CPR, and agents applied an automated external defibrillator on the driver at 10:43 p.m. A Border Patrol agent emergency medical technician applied an airway assistance device, and other agents provided oxygen to the driver. The following is body-worn camera video from an agent involved in that interaction. The initial part of this video was recorded during the 2-minute buffer period and does not have audio.
Jack. God damn it. Come on, pull him out. Get it.
Hold on. Someone get it.
He fucking threw away his jacket.
No, sternum rub, guys. Sternum rub. Rub your sternum like this. Hard. Hey, come on.
Come on, buddy.
Wake up.
Come on, man.
Come on.
Come on, man. Come on, buddy.
Hey, wake up.
Wake up, man.
Move your... Come on. Alright, guys.
You guys have a mask? Or...
Stay calm. Follow these instructions. Make sure 911 is called now. Begin by exposing patient's bare chest. Remove or cut clothing if needed.
Raise this entire...
When patient's chest is bare, remove the white square package from lid of AED.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Tear open white package across dotted line and remove pads. Peel one of the white pads completely from blue plastic. Begin pulling from the tabbed corner.
I'll tell you there on this side where you put it.
Firmly place the pad without the blue plastic on patient's bare chest, exactly as shown on pads. This pad can be placed on either of the two locations as shown on pads.
6, 7, 8.
Next, peel second white pad from the blue plastic.
17, 18. Hold on, I heard finish on
Firmly
30.
place the second pad on the other location exactly and do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait.
He's on the way.
Do not touch the patient. Analyzing heart rhythm. Please wait. Shock not advised. It is now safe to touch the patient. If needed, perform CPR as instructed. Place heel of one hand on center of chest between nipples. Place heel of other hand directly on top of first hand. Lean over patient with elbows straight. Press the patient's chest down rapidly, 1/3 the depth of chest. Then release. Start CPR. Press.
Hold his head, guys.
Press.
Agents performed CPR for approximately 20 minutes until Angel Care Ambulance EMS personnel arrived on scene and assumed medical care of the driver at 11:01 p.m. At approximately 11:09 p.m., EMS personnel transported the driver